I'm Lillian Ellen, director of the new culinary program at South Ark, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing braised pork belly. Before we braise our pork belly, I'm going to give you a couple of techniques on how to prepare the mirepoix and the ingredients that we're going to use. The weirdo here is ginger, and I'm going to peel the ginger, but I'm not going to peel the rest of this stuff because it's not that important. Now, the reason we're not using a peeler or a knife is because it's going to take too much of the flesh inside away and you're going to have more waste. So being careful not to get any ginger juice in your eyes because it's very spicy. You're going to just peel away slowly with your spoon. You're going to use your thumb as an anchor. You can smell that ginger. It's going to be tasty. And I'm just going to give it a slice. You want to make sure that you're going to get a lot of surface area because you want to steal all the flavor you can out of these. So I'm cutting my carrots on a bias for more surface area. And you want to keep in mind that your celery has a salt in it, celery salt, great for Bloody Marys. So you're going to want to make sure that you don't over salt your pork because the celery is going to add to the salinity of your braising liquid. Okay? Now, since I'm not going to use this to make a sauce, I'm not going to peel my apple, but I am going to make sure that I've got the seeds out. That can add to some bitterness. We don't want that. You never want to sacrifice speed for quality or quality for speed. But if you can do something like this that'll speed up the process so that you're not here all day peeling garlic, then you will be a better cook and more valuable. So I'm just going to throw these in here halved like that because it's going to cook down for quite a while. So all that flavor is going to come out. Now for my spices, I didn't have Chinese 5-spice, so I just kind of made up my own. I've got some bay leaf, and I've got some cloves. You really only need 1 bay leaf and maybe 3 or 4 cloves, because when you open this jar and you can smell it, it smells like Christmas and it's very potent. So you don't want to overdo it. You can always go back and add more. I'm just eyeballing this, and you can too. I have faith in you. So I have my fatty pork belly here that I'm going to unwrap. We're ready to go. I'm going to put a little salt on top, just a little. And then I've got my apple juice that I'm going to pour about 2/3 up the side of the meat. You don't want to cover it completely. Otherwise, you're not going to get any color on the top of the pig. Okay. This smells absolutely delicious.